This video clip will guide you on installing the Smart Gorilla Garage controller and testing it. You need the following in order to control your garage door by Smart Gorilla unit. 1. Access to your garage motor controller. 2. Smart Gorilla Garage Control Unit from FT Automation Canada. 3. Little jumper wire included in the Smart Gorilla package. 4. Extension power cable if you don't have nearby AC outlet. How to access the garage door motor controller. 1. Follow safety rules for climbing a safe ladder. 2. Trace the wall switch wire going to the side of the garage motor controller. 3. Gently flip down the plastic cover of the side identified in step 2 above. If you have any problem opening the cover, then refer to the garage motor controller user guide. It is assumed that you have performed the short circuit test before installing the unit. Here is how to do this test. Use a short jumper wire to briefly connect the electric contacts on the garage motor controller. The jumper wire is included in the box of Smart Gorilla Garage controller. Briefly short those two contacts with the wire to move the door. 1. Briefly connect and disconnect contacts to open the garage door, if closed. 2. Briefly connect and disconnect contacts to close the garage door, if opened. 3. If the above passed, then proceed to install the unit. It is recommended to set up and pair the Smart Gorilla unit with your Android phone before proceeding to the next step. See short clip on how to pair the unit. Installing the Smart Gorilla unit. It is assumed that you have already set up the Android app on your phone and paired the Smart Gorilla unit with your phone. Once done, please proceed as follow. 1. Identify the red and black cable wires connected to the Smart Gorilla box. 2. Identify the garage motor controller contacts for red and white wires. 3. Connect the red wire of Smart Gorilla box to red wire from the contact on motor garage controller. It is okay to have both wires red and red connected. 4. Connect the black wire of Smart Gorilla box to white wire from the contact on motor garage controller. It is okay to have both wires black and white connected. 5. Connect the Smart Gorilla power adapter to the AC outlet. Applicable for North America AC outlet. 6. Turn on the Smart Gorilla unit. 7. Start your Android app. Ensure your mobile phone is connected to Smart Gorilla unit. You should see the connected green indicator lit on the mobile app. 8. Click the up and down button on your mobile app to move the garage door.